Yo, what's up, YouTube? Yo, what's up, everybody? I'm back and I'm better with another video. Today's different content. So everybody asks me, how do you make a living or how do you make money reselling? Let me take us left right here real quick. Bro, I shouldn't be videotaping when I'm driving and shit. But everybody always asks, how do you become a reseller? Now, this is the most simplest, easiest way I started. This is not the one way. There's so many ways you become a reseller, and it's easy to make money. So right now I am driving to pick up some sneakers because I went on this app called OfferUp, and you just scroll through and you find sneakers. Now, how do you find sneakers is the biggest question. Now, the best way I can teach you guys how to simply make money off sneakers is look at the sneaker you recently bought. So let's say a Jordan something you recently bought, and try to get it for half price and then sell it back for what you paid for it. And that's only on used products. But if it's brand new that you purchased from a store, I would say cut it in half from retail price. So if it was $200, let's say you paid $100 used, and then you go 50% off on that $100. So you will pay like $50 on the product, and then you would go back in and sell it for $90 to $100. If you want quick cash, $90. And yep, there you go. That's the best way I can explain it. But now let's get to the whole video where I teach you guys how to list your products or how to list your items and then get them sold and get cash in your hands real quick. I just met the dude at the Walmart and I paid $50 each for everything except the 11s. I paid $80, which I know I can get a bigger return on the 11s. Not a bigger return, but even if I invest $80, I can get the same return as the rest of the shoes. Now I'm trying to figure out which way it should go out. I just met him at the Walmart. I think I'm going somewhere else, but I just want to show you guys what I got for right now, so you guys can see what's good, what's Gucci. And I think there's a Goodwill. Why not make a whole vlog, bro? Let's go to Goodwill. And shit, I'm gonna make this a vlog at the same time. Gonna teach you guys how to resell. I mean, we can find something at Goodwill, but I hate this shitty ass place. But we'll see what they got in there, and we'll go from there. Yo, I just walked into Plato's Closet. Man, this shit was dry as hell. But as you guys can see, look here, we got some Jordan 6s, $60, and those Adidas, all those are trash. And you guys can see to the right, there were Yeezy Belugas. Those are $40, size 11. Those are fake. And then EQTs. But the other Yeezys, the other shoes that I got were fake because they came from the same bundle. These shoes are fake, the ones in there. Yeah, so I picked up the white 3s, and then there's some NMDs that I picked up. 10.5 white 3s were size 11. Oh shit, where did I put my Ferrari? Ooh, look at that booty, look at that booty. Oh my. Yo, here we are in the next store. This is a pawn shop, as you guys can see. Ooh, $40 for some red Jordan 13s. That's a steal, bro. That's a steal, super steal. And then here we go. We got a couple of designer sneakers, some Jordans, SBs, Air Forces. Damn, they got Air Forces here. Some Jordan 1s. Those Pantone Jordan 7s, as you guys can see. Look at the Kyries right there. Pantones. It's $80 at the moment, but it'll go down. And we got some kid shoes around there. Phone posits. Just, miscellaneous. Oh, look at these. Back to the Future looking at shoes. Oh, some 8s, some SBs. These are the shoes I'm really, really looking to get because they're $130. I'm going to wait till they're $100 and sell them back for $160. Other than that, there was nothing besides some regular Jordans and shit that I can't really make money off. And they were too small, too big, just the whole 5 yards. And now I'm about to cop those 13 lows and go to the crib, you know what I'm saying? Oh, those are nice right there. Multicolored hybrid dunks. Ew, ew, ew. Look at these. There you guys go. $43 with the box. Banana boats, size 12. Woo! Today's a good day. It's not about luck or anything. It's always being consistent. And I'm not trying to show the pawn shop, but some people might know where the pawn shop's at. It's always so as you guys can see, we picked up a bunch of shoes, like I think 5, 6, 7, 8 pairs of shoes in one day. And I also bought some stuff online. I think I bought like 3 or 4 products online. So to be a reseller, it's always to have capital, be an entrepreneur, and have enthusiasm, or just be happy that you're alive every day. And it's not always about, oh shit, I might not find something today, but it's always about being consistent and never counting on luck, because luck doesn't fucking work in this business. It's always about being consistent, looking for products, and always having those connections where people are hungry for money. I'm just playing, but where people need money and you got the money to give it to them. So capital, that's the most important thing you need, buddy. God, this is all the damage we have done for today. All the damage. Here's this pair right here. The damage for these two was at 75, 78. These go for, I think, around $100 right here. So turn $43 to $100. That's good. These are white 3. Might be fake or real. We have to get them authenticated. And then here you go. These pair right here. These are $30. I could easily sell them for $50, hopefully. Boost has been dying, but, you know, why not get into the game while it's there. And now we have these right here. The Jordan 13s. Ooh. Jordan 13 bread, size 12 for $43 at the pawn shop. That's cool. Oh, I'm so sorry. Here we go. Pristine condition. Your Jordan UNC Jordan 1s. $50. I can turn that to $120 easily, but there's no box, so if somebody offers, I'll sell it for $100. Here you go. These are good for fall because of the colors. They're great for fall, so that's a quick $100. These actually are going for like $120, but there's a couple stains right here, so I'll let this go for $100. Yep. These are going for like $200 used, but seeing the condition, I'll let these go for like $120 because they don't have the box also. Now here, I paid $80 for these right here, for these shoes. Ooh, look at these babies. I paid $80. I'll let those go for $150. And now I think that is all the sneakers I have purchased from that one buyer. 4 pairs of shoes. This, I'm not sure how much total it is, but I can calculate. 50, 50, 60, 50, 50. That's $260. Probably like $40 on those. So we're looking at like $320 or $340 in profits. Woo, that's good, man. We didn't do bad today. Didn't even count these. That's another $60 right there. So we're looking at like almost $400 in profit in one day. I'm so grateful that I didn't chill, sleep. It's always about being consistent. Here you guys go. All the sneakers. Thank you so much for watching this video. And a pro tip would be having this right here to put your brand on. So I always take pictures behind this, and everybody knows it's me selling the sneakers, which is so good. If I'm selling on Go or something like that, they can just hit me up on my Instagram to get the discount, and I'm able to sell the sneakers faster, get my money faster. I use these lights. I got them for $75. This is a YouTube check I use, so I didn't spend no money on it. Basically, it's the YouTube money right there. And yeah, if you really need these, this is $75. They take good quality pictures, but I really recommend you just go around and you can buy this for $5, $10 at the pawn shop. Yo, DFW Kicks here. Yo, other than that, thank you guys for watching the video. Damn, bro. Oh my god, thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate you. Have a great day. Man, if you really want to know more in depth, I'm actually gonna charge $50. That's $50 to make at least $5,000 a month in sales, or you can make $10,000 in sales. It just depends how much time you have and how much effort and how much money you have to put into this business. That's it, man. If you have more money, you can make $20,000 a month, $100,000 a month. It's just about being consistent and learning from your mistake and being better every day. That's what I'm trying to teach everybody. But $50, you get an hour class, FaceTime, or I can just set up a website. I'll be there broadcasting any questions you have. You know, once we get big, man, this program's not gonna be for sale. So get it while I'm here chilling. I appreciate you guys for watching this video. If it's long, it's long. I don't care, because this is great content. And if you really want to learn, here you go, man. Appreciate you guys for watching. Have a great day.